Alright guys, welcome to the bug-free coding series, and in today's video we'll be exploring a better way of creating multiple lists without introducing bugs in your code. Now let's get right into it. Let's start by creating a list of 5 empty lists using this approach. So li equals an opening square bracket, then an empty list, then a closing square bracket multiplied by 5. Now let's print out our results and run our code. Okay, so this seems to work pretty well. We got a list of 5 empty lists just as we expected. Now, but let's try to append an element to the first empty list and then see what happens. So we append an element, say 2, to the first empty list and then print out our results. Okay, now let's run our code. Oops, we see that the 2 has been appended to each list within the list, but that wasn't what we wanted. So why does this happen? Python interprets the first expression I wrote as an empty list within a list repeating itself 5 times. So whatever changes that I make to the first empty list affects each repetition within the list, hence the unexpected outcome. Now, how do we fix this? Let me clear this code. So we start off by using the most effective way of creating a list, which is the list comprehension. Okay, so a new code becomes li equals opening and closing square brackets. Then for underscore in range 5, you create an empty list. That's what this expression means. For underscore in range 5, create an empty list. Now let's print out our results to see if we get a desired result. Okay, so we get a list of 5 empty lists, just as we expected. Now let's go ahead and append our value to the first empty list. So li index 0 dot append 2. Now we print out our results and see the outcome. Great. So unlike the previous code, this time the 2 is appended to just the first empty list, and that's what we've been trying to accomplish. Okay, so guys, whenever you want to create a list of empty lists, do not get tempted to use the first approach, as that might introduce bugs in your code. Anyways, that's all for today's video, and if anyone has a question or a better way of going about this problem, you can put that in the comment section and we'll go through it together. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.